Visuals. X1K.
Guys, it's your friend Coach Solomon, the creator of X1K commercials.com, X1K videoads.com, as well as the video marketing university.net. Welcome to Don't Buy That Video Ad Yet. Whatever you do, don't buy that video ad yet. I'm a marketing consultant. I've been online for 6 years. I've been in the video marketing field for the last 5 years. We create video ads for social media agencies, marketing consultants, brick and mortar businesses, home businesses, authors, musicians, you name it. And being in this field for so long, we come across a lot of interesting insights that you won't really find just by doing the research on it, but you probably only know as a result of being in the field, creating products for people, as well as helping them out with video marketing training. So what we decided to do is to teach, because we realized that video is such a big deal out there. It produces the best results when you put them on your capture pages, your websites. When it comes to video ads, it produces the best results. So it's not just a fad. And what we're going to do in this very short video, we're just going to give you some insights